LG presents semi-automatic top-loading washing machine range that comes in a variety of capacities and ratings that are ideal for an Indian family. This washing machine gives the best washing performance with roller jet pulsator, which helps in up, down and left, right movement of each cloth in the tub to give even wash quality for every laundry, thus removing tough stains. With dual tubs for washing, spinning, you can now wash and dry the laundry at the same time. Bigger spin tub size help to air dry in an efficient manner. The magic filter adds to the overall washing quality with efficient lint collection during the wash cycle. LG washing machines come with an auto restart feature. When there is a power cut, the wash process stops, then resumes back from where it stopped. Be it silk, lace or other material, with its 3 modes of washing, your clothes will get the best kind of wash. This super reliable washing machine is backed with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on product and 5 years on motor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Whirlpool's superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine with 5-star energy rating and 3 built-in wash programs. This superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine has a 66-liter large wash tub which lets the clothes move freely. The Super Soak technology easily removes stubborn dirt by continuously soaking and scrubbing the clothes for 25 minutes. This washing machine comes with a waterproof and shockproof control panel which is smartly designed to protect the water from seeping inside. The high-efficiency powerful motor rolls the clothes in all directions, giving a thorough cleaning. With 1400 RPM spin speed, the clothes dry quickly, saving you time and energy. This semi-automatic machine has auto restart function. This means that during power cuts, the machine remembers where it stopped and restarts from there when the power comes back. The machine is equipped with 4 wheels which provides easy mobility and thus can be easily moved from one place to another. The buzzer produces a beep sound at the end of each washing cycle to let you know that it is done. So, get home the Whirlpool Superb Atom semi-automatic washing machine and get cleaner clothes every day. This washing machine comes with a 2 years warranty on product, 5 years warranty on wash motor and prime mover. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page.